So the first tip for me would be to do the work when it comes to researching what company that you're going to be actually interviewing with and what they have to offer you.
Follow your interests like I did. I've been nuts for motorcycles since I was a teenager, and that's where I went, that's what I got into, and that's where I worked for many, many years.
Get the name of the person that you interviewed with, get a business card, an email address, phone number, something that can put you directly in touch with that person. Make sure that they remember you and that they want to talk to you. Also look at the job details and responsibilities that they're looking for and see how it matches up with what you've already done. And then tailoring your resume and your terminology so that it matches that criteria specifically to what that company is looking for.
The best resource I can recommend would be Pipeline. Through Pipeline, it was pointing me in the right direction. Basically, is how I end up finding the job at Lead Point and Axon.
For me personally, I was filling out 30 to 50 resumes a day, and I was maybe getting 2 responses back after a month. Do the work that is required for it and keep moving with it.
The main thing I can say is don't give up. You didn't give up when you're in the service. Don't give up now. Keep trying, keep plugging, keep doing what you know you got to do.